Darling. And as Damon Darling would say, Bob, you guys have been supporting the channel, and I just want to say thank y'all.
Baby, you're like wine. You get better with time. Akeen and Jenn.
Limestone.
Okay.
Yeah, man. It's like a little cream. Skin is already wet, so you just take your time and keep it on the skin moist.
Oh, that's my bad knee, yes.
Guys, you should get her today.
Oh, that feels so nice.
You should get her today, you know?
Good morning, guys.
Good morning. We're running late, but we're doing this all for you. So today's excursion day, so you know
Got our
we're
matching
outfits going on.
outfits. We got our new bag. We're ready to go.
With our bandanos, so yeah, we're running late, but we got to get some breakfast and then we're out on our excursion. So you guys stay tuned for that amount of excitement and see what it has to offer.
I'm
Okay?
excited.
Stay tuned and come along, guys. Blessings. Yeah, it's a good morning. It's sunny. I assume it's gonna be hot. So
Babe, that looks so good on you.
we just heard the weather.
You're looking kind of sexy here.
Thank you. You always do what you do.
No, seriously, that looks so good on you.
Can I live life without you? Yeah. Sweet.
It's the truth, though. I'm not lying.
Guys, we're working. You see, I'm here editing a video. My wife is putting in the work on another video. So
Always
we're
working.
working. So the vlogs are coming. You guys just stay tuned. A whole lot of work is putting in. Yeah, so bless up and be safe. If you can be good, be safe. And God will take care of the rest.
Hallelujah.
Yeah.
Amen. Guys, this is how early we are. It's not even open yet. We're gonna be the first people in here this morning. That's crazy. I'm never the first for anything. See, it opens at 7 o'clock. And right now it's 10 too, so. Yeah. Beautiful day.
And as Damon Darling would say, Bob, you guys have been supporting the channel, and I just want to say thank y'all so much for watching, commenting, and sharing the video. You guys are something else. I love you all so freaking much. Y'all, big up, bless up. Stay safe, Bob. And we will catch you all on another video. Babe,
Yes.
darling.
So hot. Ooh. My nails got yellow from the curry last night. And I broke a nail. Sucks.
Okay? Take you to long distance. Now the drives, they take me about an hour. Hour? Yeah. Depends on traffic, alright? This morning, once I get off the main road, it's gonna be a bumpy ride. Get up to the plantation, alright? Alright. Okay. last night, huh?
He said today was his first day driving. First day on the road.
Main thing says make sure you stay on the left, don't go on the right side. Right side, suicide in Jamaica, alright? Nonetheless, I have the experience, alright? Been around quite a while, you know?
Baby, you're like wine. You get better with time. I love you so much.
I love you too, babe. My heart.
God is good this year. Wife is not in the best shape. She's not in the best mood. But I'm here for her. I'm here to support her. Just remind her that I am her stronghold alongside God. She always got this shoulder to cry on. Because as you guys know, she lost her son. It's not what. She's gotta go home in some time too. Just for some closure with the family and whatsoever. We're here and this year to enjoy the couple days we got left until it's time to go home. So that's what we're about to do today. You guys stay tuned.
No, Blue is a different place now. Blue is the same place you have a put So you're going to be checking in on the desk on the left. Alright? So immediately after checking in, receiving your response, you will finish the desk. I'll be the one dispatching you from your stream. Alright? Alright.
Yeah, it was a bumpy, long, bumpy ride. We're just waiting in line to register. this way. And I thought my camera was filming just now, but there's orange trees over here. I missed it though. I meant to videotape it, but lots of oranges on the trees here. They're all green. They're not ripe. Yeah. Stay tuned. So, we decided to go this way, even though there is something, a truck broke down. See. Good morning.
I'm gonna try again. If you give me the same response, you're gonna go back on the truck. No refund. Who want that can just raise their hand. Don't worry, the truck are waiting. Anybody? Okay, nobody. Good morning!
Good morning!
Yeah, man, most and foremost, thank you for making it to Jamaica. Thank you for choosing River Rafting. The river that you see, name of it is the Malta-Way. It's going to be like 19 miles long, but we're just going to do a mile. It's going to take possible 45 minutes. They're going to give you a vest. It's mandatory. So it's not supposed to move at no time. Even though we do make options. If you take pictures, you can ask your captain, tell you when you can and when you cannot. You also get a chance to put some long punch. You also get a chance to do the foot massage from the knee. Don't worry. The rest of it is just to have fun. And please, hold on to your phone tight. This is a love phone, you don't give. We like to take. If you lose it, you on your own. You guys ready?
Yeah.
Say yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
2 persons according to your dispatcher. If it's a party or 3 or 5, one is gonna go solo. Okay?
She's smart. That's what I need, one of those. I said that's what I need, one of those.
Yes, for sure. Oh, you used the locker. Yeah. Oh, no. I want my shit back. You see, this is what I have to deal with every this home. I want my shit. You got 5 more minutes. You see, this pussy is on here. What? Mother, daughter? No, this is my bestie. Bestie. Mm-hmm. Oh, I know that's right. My bestie. You know what's so crazy? Literally, I barely have friends my age.
Where you all from?
New York!
Hey! Shout out to New York! New York's in the house! So you guys are going to be on our vlog.
Follow me, Asia_Mulan.
There you go!
Yeah. On Instagram, make sure you go follow us.
Woohoo! We're from, well, he's from Jamaica. I'm from East Coast, Canada, but we live on the West Coast.
Okay.
Yeah, we live in
Canada?
British Columbia, Canada. Yeah.
Okay.
And we're YouTubers. Shout out to Akeen and
Shout out to the Bronx. You from the Bronx too? Period. man. Why can't I? Carry him. Kai, why you never go down for the boat?
Oh guys, it is so hot. Good morning.
How's it going?
Good.
Good.
Alright, so I'm Captain Randy. What's your name?
Nice. Akeen.
Akeem
And Jen.
and Jenn. It's a pleasure to meet you guys.
Nice to meet you as well.
Today we on the famous Martha River here. No crocodile, no snakes, no piranha.
Really? Okay.
Right? Yeah, man. So today on this river here, the river here is like 19 miles long.
Okay.
Yeah, man, it goes straight back to the ocean.
Mm.
We also had some types of fish here.
Yeah.
Types of fish we had like the bass, the blackfish.
Yeah.
We had eel, shrimps, and clawfish.
Also no snapper.
No snapper.
Okay.
Yeah, man, it's just the bass, the African perch, and we had some mullet, mudfish, and eel, shrimps, and clawfish. That's all, and then we had some turtles on the side. So today we also have some rum punch.
Yeah.
You know, guys ready for something to drink?
You already have it. Okay.
Yeah, man, I already has it. Come on, you can see my eagles. Come on, you can see my eagles.
As we're out and about.
You guys are in go?
Oh no, it's just me and my wife. Yeah. Yeah.
First time here in Jamaica?
Oh, I was born and bred here, but my wife, maybe my wife third time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So today I'm also gonna be your captain, one of a good friend that you guys have around.
Yeah.
Right? So if you have any question, you guys free to ask the captain.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Based on the question you asked, if I didn't give you guys any answer, probably your captain don't know that one. All right?
Well, I'm not going to call you back, bro, because I can't even phone for the rifle. I'm there out at sea. Yeah, yeah, alright. Yeah, alright.
River.
Yeah.
Yeah, river.
The river. Not the sea. Eh?
That's the video with the sea.
Yeah.
I'll get you to hold mine, babe. Can you hold mine too? Thank you.
Guys, this is
Rum punch.
rum punch.
Yeah, man. And we also got some cup holders on both sides.
Oh,
Thank
nice.
you.
We got some whiskey juice.
Cool, that's nice. Cheers to good life. Cheers to long, good levity.
Cheers, guys. That's definitely Jamaican rum.
Guys, we were at a well just now where the water coming from under the earth. So that's something natural. Yeah. And as you guys can see, the water here is cleaner. It's from the well, and we're heading back out to the river now. You still not going to own a boat, big brother?
Yeah, if you pull up back the raft,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Alright, watch your eyes. Don't let the poison ivy get you guys, alright? Don't let the poison ivy get you guys.
Oh, that's poison ivy! Oh!
You should see your face. Yeah, the part that get catching that.
Everything was up to offer.
Alright, yeah, man, we also have the limestone, good for sunburn, mosquito bites, eczema.
Yeah. So like now a slow season or fast
Yeah,
season?
slow.
Slow season, okay, okay. Very nice, you know?
Yeah, man. So here right now you're in Chilani.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. So most likely I live a little cross on this side. It's easier for me
Oh.
back home.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Should I take the road that you guys comes up on?
Okay. Crap.
Come on, no worries, no worries.
I'm so happy the flies and bugs are not bad right now. So guys, if you go to Ocho, Rios, or anywhere, I guess, around this area and want to do the bamboo rafting tour, this is what it is. It's beautiful, it's so relaxing.
Yeah.
Chaka.
Chaka.
Yeah.
Chaka is the name of the company you work for. Yeah.
Oh, Choka. Oh,
Chaka, yeah.
Choka. Okay.
Yeah, man. Here in Chilani, beautiful land of paradise.
Yep. And this is the Edwards family.
The Edwards family. Yes, we have our own YouTube channel, so if you'd like to follow us,
Let me go and viral.
Yeah.
you never know.
Yeah. You gotta come and see me when you make some of that money.
Yes, right? We'll have to give you some of it. What do you say? Give the dog some food. That's what you say in Jamaica.
Oh my god! Hey! Oh shit! Hey, get back!
This water looks like there would be alligators and snakes and stuff,
the
but
rain falls on the mountainside.
Randy said there is no crocodiles,
So my
alligators.
G, just because
Or snakes.
just because it rained, that's why the water is like this then.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Oh, normally it's a different color?
Yeah, it would be clear, baby. That was what I was thinking. But maybe by in the evening it will get clearer.
Looks like there's a technique to this for sure.
So we had another spring back over on this side over here. We also
Okay.
call it the spring bridge.
Oh,
You
nice.
can keep partying and stuff on that side. Crystal clear, different texture on the water. Come on, enjoy yourself, here. Yeah, man. Remember, Chilani. Yeah. Friendship.
Lani. Guys, we were at a well just now where the water coming from under the earth. So that's something natural. Yeah, and as you guys can see, the water here is cleaner. It's from the well, and we're heading back out to the river now. So, yep, that's it. You don't want a boat, big brother.
Yeah, to pull up back the raft
Yeah,
there.
yeah.
Cheers.
Alright, guys, gonna duck, alright? Watch your nose, don't let the poison ivy get you guys, alright? Don't let the poison ivy get you guys.
Oh, that's poison ivy! Oh!
Hey, you should see your face. Yow, the part that gets you that.
Okay, where's the banana?
Those
Right
are the
here.
banana tree, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Callaloo's are right here. This the bush cabbage. You have the.
Callaloo is something that we call greens in
Yeah,
Jamaica,
yeah.
guys.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
That's the planting back there.
Oh, those are the
Yeah.
plants in that fruit.
Yeah.
That's what you always see me
Oh,
buying in Canada, babe.
Yeah.
Those planting right there.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. You have a Jamaican apple tree, the small ones coming up right there in the middle.
Jamaican apple tree.
That's a banana right here, hanging right here. Yeah. That's another bunch of planting. Man, I'm probably heard about like the Susumba Maka before.
Yeah.
Alright, so that's a Susumba Maka. Right here,
So even
right
Jamaican,
here.
I'm a Kingstonian, so.
Right here. Yeah, man, so that's a Susumba. Nice to use in the meat. You ever heard like the mountain sap tree before?
Nope.
The mountain sap is next to the sour sap tree.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, man, that one give you a thick juice. a little thicker than the soursop. So right here, this is it right here.
Oh. So it bears something like soursop?
Yeah, it bear like the soursop, but it's round.
Okay,
It's
okay.
thicker.
Yeah.
Yeah, whenever you juice it, more water, it gets thick. Getting thick and thicker.
Really good.
I can get to show you guys the avocado tree. That was the beer.
Oh.
The tree is black, you know?
Yeah.
Probably if you look there, look across in the middle.
Yeah. Okay, that's a big avocado tree.
Yeah, man, it goes up in the ear.
Yeah.
Right?
The last time we came to Jamaica, we stayed at his brother's, and his brother has a mango tree in the back of his house.
Yeah, man, that's most likely you see in Jamaica. We have a lot of mango,
Yeah.
coconuts and stuff like that.
Yeah.
Even though the coconut can't really plant any soil there. Still not gonna go to any perfection that like how you want it to. Most likely we actually plant the coconut, it don't really come based on the soil. Alright, so we're gonna stop over here a little bit closer to the sugar cane.
Okay.
I don't really want to stay in the corner because too many mosquitoes.
Yeah. So could we get piece of sugar cane now?
Well, I don't see the farmers here today.
Oh.
I don't really see him. I don't really like when I go to the field and like cut it like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like to clean and
Okay. Yeah. That's more principle.
I don't agree enough.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Principle.
I stay like some of the other. My niggas, yo, want a kid, alright.
Wheel it out,
And
yeah.
look over there, you know this.
Respect.
Yeah, respect go away from.
These sugarcane must grow sweet because they're like on a waterbed.
Most likely, it will get fresh.
Yeah. Oh.
They absorb too much of the water.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So like how the rain comes down and it's on the road right now, most likely they are like absorbing too much of the water. So eventually we get like fresh whenever you like do it tastes like source of water.
Yeah.
Yeah. No juice, I get the flavor where you look for from it. Or the texture, so yeah, this is a sugar cane.
Yeah. Okay.
Come on, you can see corn, some sweet corn, we have that, but it's good.
Okay.
Come on. Remember the one? Don't really remember the name. Good for your body, you know? See him.
I don't know what it is, but
This like a thyme or something. It's good for the body.
it almost smells like
Oregano.
oregano or I don't know, something. Yeah.
It's good.
Mhm.
Get him a rub it up first,
Yeah.
and then take it from.
Okay, wait, babe.
Yeah, man. Big up yourself.
Yeah, G, big up.
Very good.
Yeah.
Alright, as I said, this is a limestone. Good for sunburn, mosquito bites, eczema, rashes, pain in the joints.
Well, you can put it on this knee because this knee is bad.
Yeah, man, we need a little cups of water.
This is limestone.
This is the limestone, good for sunburn, mosquito bites, eczema.
It's great vibe.
Are we at the place? I make it go viral and stone,
Okay.
the man. It's like a little cream. Skin is already wet, so you just take your time and keep it on the skin moist. Yeah, man. So far.
Oh, that's my bad knee. Yes.
Guys, she get it today.
Oh, that feels so nice.
Yo, she get it today, you know?
Oh my goodness. I have to have surgery on that knee when I go home, so that feels really nice.
Alright, see if the magic will work with the limestone.
Yeah. Yum, man.
He's working some magic with his limestone, so let's hope the magic work, man. Definitely. She's struggling. She's been struggling with this knee, and
Since February.
I mean, we're over it.
Over it.
We're on the island where the healing. This is the healing of the nation.
Yum, man.
So It must work one way or the next.
Randy knows what he's doing. What?
Good.
Need any design?
That was so good.
Put Akeen and Jenn. Good. That is it. Tour guide, my dream thing.
Yeah,
You know?
healing for my knee. Thank you, Lord.
It's called the limestone. Yeah, I mean, so. What spa? We ain't going to no spa, babe.
Right?
Go back to spa when we go home.
Oh my gosh, guys, this
What?
is so wonderful.
This is the natural spa she's getting right here.
Oh.
Why you sound like that?
It feels so good. Babe, can you massage my legs like this?
Y'all know this would never happen under my watch, but she get away today. My guy doing his thing.
One love. Yeah, man.
Y'all can guess the design he's putting on the other foot. Guess the design and see what is it. Ain't gonna show y'all until he's finished. So let's see if he's a great artist.
He's a great massage
He
person.
said he's trying. So
Thank you.
that's it. He said one love with heart and smiley face. Yeah, big it up for him, man. Did great.
So guys, this is a Jamaican cotton tree.
That big one there. Guys, because the boat is coming, we gotta stop and allow the boat to come. So we're waiting on it. My wife messed up my pants, but it doesn't matter. I love her anyway, so.
So what, oh, this is, they're bringing the raft back.
These are the guests that leave before us.
Oh.
Captains that leave out before.
Okay.
So these almond milk and stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Pretty nice.
Guys.
She's all perfect, you know.
Yeah.
Perfect one. Yeah.
She lives in the United States?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So guys, he met a female from the same rafting, from doing the,
And she's perfect, he said.
yeah, she's perfect.
7 months.
Yes. 7 months they're going. What caught her attention is the whole foot massage thing. So it's a good thing I never leave my girl careless. You go with her.
You're already taken, that's right.
Yeah.
And so am I. And so am I. I'm already taken. No one can take your place, baby. Not even a foot massage can take your place, baby.
Yeah.
Yeah, not even a fly bite. Hallelujah. Thank you, Lord.
Big brother. Manners and respect.
You guys can just crack your vest.
Yeah.
Oh man, so look at that.
Crack your vest. Yeah.
Leave that one there, feed that one there. Damn. No, it's not easy to come in. What you need? What you need? What you need? Right? Come on, here we go.
Thank
We'll mix it
you.
up. Respect.
Take care now. Respect, manners. Up.
Yeah, man, this was the tour that we took. So good. Recommend it to anyone that comes to visit Ocho Rios or anywhere near this area and have the opportunity to do this excursion. It is so worth it. Absolutely beautiful. Yeah, man.
Your truck is coming, man. You come with a
Now
different.
we're going to go back on the truck.
You came with me?
I know this road. I like it. Oh, no, this
I'd like to go.
Okay.
Babe, you know she gotta get the full view with the GoPro. But it's a nice place. It's called Chuckers or Chuka. It's called Chuka.
Do you want
That's
your towel,
good.
babe?
You're looking sweet, baby.
Oh, thank you.
You're always sweet, though. We don't need no sugar for you, babe. No sugar.
I'm sweet enough.
You're sweet enough, honey.
Oh, my glass.
Can you take my watch and the key? Thank you. And I'm gonna give you this.
Is it cold, lovey? Is it cold? Is it cold?
Oh, no, it's not actually.
It's warm?
Yeah.
I might get in. Good energy. Good vibes. Come to Jamaica and experience it. It got to be in the tropics. So y'all better come to Jamaica. Lovely.
Can you stand too? Is it all here?
Baby's doing her thing.
Oh, give me your hand and I'll help you.
This point, like,
He
I
doesn't
mean,
work that fast.
it did. Like, I've really gotten close with God in the last 5 years. And one thing that kept going over and over in my mind was, if you're lukewarm, God will, because I always believed in God. I always believed in Jesus. I was full of Catholic. I went to a Baptist church, and then, you know, I dabbled in Pentecostal, Seventh-day Adventist and stuff like that. I always knew God was real, but I got a personal relationship with God as of 5 years ago. And that's when I seen a shift in my life. Yeah.
That's amazing.
Yeah,
though.
it was. Like,
I
when
feel like that everybody gets to experience that.
No, it does. I went to Texas and I was committing adultery. I was married to my first husband. We weren't divorced yet. I was in a full relationship with a narcissistic man, and I just said, God, like, I need your help because I feel like I've made so many mistakes in
Like
my
you're
life,
losing your
and I
path.
felt like a loser. And then my friend at 19 years decides my name pops in her head, and she decides to contact me on Messenger. She's like, I owe you some money. Come to BC. And I'm like, I've never been to BC. So I went there, and
Well, I just decided this is it. I'm just giving my life to God. I'm going to completely be on fire for Him, not
How were you
lukewarm.
when you were like taking the first step? Like, I gotta do this. I gotta do this.
Well, when I first became like a born again Christian, but still I committed adultery after that. So when I was baptized, I was 37. But like after that, I got divorced from my first husband. I committed adultery, but my heart was yearning to do what was right and to live a life pleasing to God.
Yeah.
So yeah, I was just like, God, I need you to fix me because I don't know how to do it on my own. And then He just like, I'm telling you, when you just let go and surrender, He just works it all out. He did. He brought me to British Columbia, and that's where I developed a relationship, like a personal relationship with Him. And I became a different person. And I looked at Him and asked Him to help me in all areas of my life, everything. He's the first thing that I think of when I wake up, last thing I think of when I go to bed, and every decision I make, everything I do, I leave it in His hands. Even this trip. So I sprained my knee in February, and I said, God, like, we need to go to Jamaica to get His son, my stepson. How am I going to do this? So He worked it out. My operation's October 7th. Then he had to get his PR, and we booked the trip 3 months ago, and we're like, we need this PR. We got it on Friday. Our trip was on Sunday.
Oh, wow.
Like literally the last day. Friday, we got it in the mail. Saturday, Sunday, we were on the plane. If he didn't have the PR on Friday, we would have had to postpone the trip. And then my operation's the 7th on my knee because I tore my meniscus. Like, it's just, I just gave it to God.
So that's like a green card. I don't know if you guys, or the PR. Yeah. Yeah, it's like a green card.
So for your sore meniscus, are you gonna do the surgery for the meniscus, or are you gonna do like a knee replacement?
Well, the surgeon's gonna try to repair the meniscus. And then he said if he's not able to do that, he said he will give me a new knee within 5 years. I don't know if, I would love to wake up and say, him to say, you know what, but they have to fit your knee and all that. So I don't think
it's not just that. So my sister, she's 45.
Yeah.
And she had a torn meniscus here. She has surgery, but she's not able to fully function how it used to be.
Right.
But both of her knees is going bad, and like she's too young, and they're trying to prolong the surgery. So they're giving her, like, she's taking the shot.
Right. That's what he said. He'll give me some shots. And then within 5 years, he said he'll do any operation.
So I think you should listen to prolong the surgery as long as you can and get the shot.
Right. And that's what I'll do. I will. But I'm really hoping and praying that He will fix the meniscus.
Yeah.
That's my ultimate prayer. But like I said, God, my life is in your hands. Whatever you have for me, whatever work I need to do, it's fine.
It will get done.
I will do it. Yeah, I will do it. I'm just grateful for this opportunity to be here.
Is it your first time in Jamaica?
This is my 3rd time.
Oh, this is our first time.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
So we got married a couple of years ago, and we came last year to meet his mom and meet his son, and like a honeymoon and stuff like that. Yeah, and then this time we came to actually pick up his son and bring him to Canada with us.
Congratulations!
So, and on another note, my son just passed away a week ago, my other son, and it was just so weird how God, not weird, but crazy, miraculous, how, you know, I'm picking up a new son, and my son died at the same time.
I'm so sorry.
Thank you. Yeah, we had the, you know, I wasn't able to go, but I am going home. So when I go home on Friday, instead of going to BC, I'm going to go to Halifax. But we had a thing at the funeral home last night, and I was on FaceTime. Yeah.
It's even harder because you get the message when she was here.
Yeah, I got the message when I was here. Yeah. And then my daughter's home, and it was her birthday. Like, it was like, are you kidding me, God? Like,
how old was his son, if you don't mind me asking?
35. I adopted him when he was 7. So we got him when he was 7. I was a foster mom. And, you know, he was my son. I was his mom, you know. I raised him from 7 to 35. So, you know, he's my son. He's my heart, you know. And he was in a motorcycle accident, and a truck hit him. And yeah, so it's been hard, but this has been therapeutic for me. Relaxing day?
Yeah, I'm relaxed.
Working on the vlog, always working. My babe is always working.
No sleep, eh?
No sleep.
No rest.
No rest.
If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, and you have decision to show it, if you're happy and you know it, say yeah, man.
Yeah, man,
You gotta take it down. So, who's gonna start with the ladies first? DJ, play music. Hey. I never said dance clap. Go back over there, so go stand up.
Babe, Buddy's stealing our bag. Look. Look.
Who's Buddy?
I don't know. Whoever that guy is, look.
Buddy's a penis. That's what we call Buddy near penis.
Oh, really?
Babe,
Look.
the amount of excursion we went on is crazy.
How come I only got 2? I don't have that one. What is that?
I get this and I return the lock.
Oh, you got one more than me. I want to prank you, babe. Someone is stealing our bag. Oh!
Shit.
Babe, you ain't gonna go after him? Let's see what design she did today. Oh, so sweet.
Remember, don't give a damn if them underrate you. Just tell them to chat the facts of them conversation. He said that the bad mind people can't hate me. Try all you want, that now go face me. Good.
Babe,
Yes.
that's for you, honey. No worry yourself.
Don't worry yourself. Not to talk.
Big up.
Bigger.
Move from ya.
Here.
Move from ya.
Muraya?
Move from ya.
Move from me.
Yeah. Wagwan.
Wagwan.
Madea man.
Say it again.
Madea man.
Makaya ma?
One love.
One.
Big up.
Bigger.
Man.
Brother. General. General style. Yo, brother. Me dog.
Yeah, we have him back now, man.
Peter from Walking TV.
Yeah, I'm right here.
I spotted you in the buffet. I'm like, hey, that's the guy from the show.
Well,
Blessings.
Nice.
Yeah.
Respect, man. Every time.
Ireland boss, and me I represent for Akeen and Jenn. And you know them YouTube channels, so me I tell you no, and me I send you no, if you go like, share, comment, and subscribe. You know why? It's a winning season. The past wasn't clear. No, tables are turned with about half dozen cheer. You know what I mean?